Want to create a buzzing hub for your customers right within WhatsApp? Let's dive into creating and managing a WhatsApp community group using Aisensy. Step by step. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Community Groups section, usually found in the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Community Group button. This will open a form where you'll define the basic details of your community. Give your community a descriptive name that reflects its purpose, then add a brief description outlining what the group is about and what members can expect. Upload a relevant icon or image to visually represent your community. Now, it's time to add subgroups. These let you organize conversations around specific topics. Click on the Add Subgroup button and name the subgroup. Again, giving it a relevant description. You can create multiple subgroups to cater to different interests. Configure your community settings to manage who can join. You can choose to add members manually, allow anyone to join through a link, or require admin approval for all join requests. Once your community is set up, start engaging. Post welcome messages, share valuable content, and encourage members to participate in discussions within the subgroups. Use Aisensy's analytics to track the growth and engagement of your community. Monitor which subgroups are most active and adjust your content strategy to maximize participation. That's it. You've successfully created and are now managing a thriving WhatsApp community with Aisensy.